Today we're rocking out while getting some work done around the farm with the help of our new wireless earbuds. They come shipped to your door with everything you need to be listening to your music like a pro in no time. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, a baggie of spare earplugs, a USB-C charging cable, a charging case, and inside of that, your earbuds. Pop out the earbuds and remove the plastic coating. Then, when you put them back in the charging case, you'll see them light up and begin charging. Next time you take them out, they'll be powered on and in pairing mode. Connect them to your device and you're good to go. I have yet to find a good pair of earbuds that will actually stay in through my workday out on the farm. They're always slipping out, or I'll remove one to hear what someone else is saying and lose one, making the set worthless. But these actually form to my ears and fit in them well. They have a nice seal to them that makes the sound crisp and clear. It has pretty good bass and just sounds right. Other entry-level earbuds have a tinny sound and don't sound real, but these, they sound great. But my favorite feature is the different sound modes. Hold the right earphone for 2 seconds to alternate from normal mode to pass-through mode. This allows me to get the sounds of nature through my earbuds and give me an idea of my surroundings while I'm out and about. I can hear my music clearly, as well as what's going on around me. I even have media control. I can turn down my volume or pause my music altogether without taking out an earbud. Then with the pass-through mode, it allows me to hear what they're saying. But sometimes, the sounds of nature aren't so nature-y and kind of annoying. Don't worry, you can press and hold the right headphone for 2 seconds again to switch to active noise canceling mode. This silences your surroundings and allows you to focus on the sounds that matter. Then, you can fine-tune your sound by holding the left earphone for 2 seconds to alternate between bass mode, pop mode, and game mode. This allows you to find that perfect sound for you. I've tested so many earbuds, and they never make the cut. But these have been making it through full work days without ever falling out. They actually stay in my ears, sound great, and are affordable. And if that's not enough, they have a microphone, so you can take calls. They're Ipx5 Waterproof for you sweaty boys out there, and can run 6 hours on a single charge. Then with the charging case, you can get 24 hours of usage before you have to charge the case again. Now that's pretty cool. So if you're looking for a good pair of earbuds, these might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the farm to get some more work done while listening to my favorite music. Because I can now. See ya.